Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can download and install the ClickUp desktop application on your computer, on your device like a desktop computer, so that you can access it on your computer and work on your projects and workspaces without accessing ClickUp through your web browser. So let's get started. It is super simple, guys. All you need to do is head over to Google search and type in here in the search bar something like ClickUp download desktop app or download app, something like that. And from that list of search entries below, select this one here, guys, not the other ones, but exactly this one here specifically. And this is going to redirect you to the download page of ClickUp, where you will be given the opportunity to initiate the download process. You can do that by clicking on that button here. Wait for the download to be finished, and after that head over to your output folder or download folder on your computer and launch the installation file. ClickUp will then be installed on your desktop computer. That may or may not take a while. Well, in my case, it took ClickUp not even 30 seconds to finish installing, so it shouldn't take you too long. And after that, you'll immediately be redirected to that window here where you'll be given the opportunity to sign in with your credentials, for example, with your Google account or with your email address and with your saved password. So it's up to you how you signed up on ClickUp. Simply use your preferred method and log into your account to access the ClickUp desktop application. Now, if it's the first time you're accessing ClickUp through their desktop application, Google might ask you, for example, to verify that it's really you and not a bot trying to log in by simply sending you a one-time verification code to your mobile phone. So make sure you're prepared for that and grab your smartphone and simply look up that verification code to enter it here. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, I am logged into my account here on ClickUp through their desktop app, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.